In Korea, there's a ritual that many Koreans do, especially the younger ones, at the start of every single new year.
What is it?
I have it in a box, actually.
You have it in a box.
Ta-da!
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 Hallyupedia. Oh, it's something related to Hallyu.
Ta-da! Our friends from Hallyupedia, they actually run a monthly subscription box service. Here we have the 2018 New Year Prep Kit.
Okay.
Let's open this box.
I wonder what it is. What?
Ooh. You don't buy this every single New Year? Okay.
Oh, cards.
Cards.
Okay.
Very traditional looking cards.
만사 형통, which means like
may everything you do work
succeed.
out.
Yeah.
Succeed. Diary.
Oh.
Everybody needs a diary.
Kakao Friends Diary.
Yes.
Oh,
very popular.
Like a limited edition or something? Because I can't get my hands on these days.
Like, anything with kakao.
Yeah.
Anything with kakao.
It's just like a boom.
It's crazy. Pens.
Oh wow.
This is for 세뱃돈, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a prep kit.
Basically, 세뱃돈 is like every Lunar New Year's, you bow to your elders and they give you money.
I would be really happy if I got money inside this envelope.
Here we have all the things.
Wow, this is
a lot. It's a lot. Basically, what Hallyupedia is trying to do is they're trying to give you a micro collection of the Korean experience. They select assorted things.
It's curated.
Yeah, that are relevant right now to Korean people, and these are actually things that Korean people use, right? Like these are
very
products
practical.
Like,
this Monami?
yeah, this pen looks good actually. I really want to.
Oh, is it the Monami limited edition? Oh my god. So what I like about this is like it's all in one.
Wow, this pops up.
Wow, that is high quality.
Wow.
You can actually display that.
Wow, this is Seoul.
Literally Seoul City.
Yeah,
like.
we can see the Namsan Tower.
Yeah.
Oh!
Whoa! It has pop-ups.
Oh!
And you see the animations are also very cute.
The biggest present is me.
No, it's money. Money.
Oh, these are the guys on the bill.
Yeah, the biggest present is money.
Oh, okay.
So it's literally saying, don't give anything else, just give me money.
You know why? It's because it's May. May is the month where they have Children's Day. They have Father's Day.
So just give me the cash.
Yeah, where you get presents and they're asking for money. Fall, it says, are we in love?
Yeah, people get lonely in autumn.
Yeah, we call it 가을타다. So every fall, it's like Korean people get lonely.
Yeah.
So these are all things that are very, I think all Koreans can relate to this calendar. So that's pretty cool. Along with the monthly collection,
there's more.
They sent us this special collection. So they have like two different types of collection services. One is a monthly box where they curate according to the month. And then they have like special niche boxes. What? Wow. Line.
Oh, is
wow,
this like a light?
rabbit.
A mood light or something?
Oh, really?
No, it's
oh,
a pencil case.
What? What?
It's a pencil case.
Pencil case. Wow, kids these days.
2017 pencil case.
Pencil case?
I've never imagined a pencil case would evolve into this level. Pencil cases were like this for us.
Yeah. What?
Can I touch that?
Wow, it
feels like...
good. It feels good, man. Yeah, I know. Wow. Oh.
Oh, he flaps his...
Yeah, that's pretty cute. Oh my god, I'm putting this on my MacBook. What is this?
Oh, there's a letter set.
Oh, it's Band-Aids.
Band-Aids?
They have the line characters
like
on
the
them.
Disney, like I had
yeah.
What is it? Toy Story Band-Aids when I was young. Is this delivery service available abroad as well?
Actually, it's available anywhere. I heard they charge flat rates for everywhere.
Oh,
so
really?
it's the same price for everywhere, even if you're like in Antarctica, say. I think they sent this so that we can, use them to decorate our diaries.
Really?
Because that's what I want to do today. I want to write a diary. Do you write diaries, David?
No.
No? You're not a diary person?
No.
I think like this is more like a female thing. Decorating diaries with like stickers and stuff like that, that's like a big part of the female culture in South Korea. So since it's about to be the New Year's, how about we write our New Year's resolution as our first diary entry? Okay, yeah. And then we share it. And we try to let's try to decorate it like Korean girls. I mean, you've seen Korean girls' diaries, right?
I'm good at that. I've done that before.
I think I'm better. Oh, I think I'm already screwed.
Let's get a fresh sheet.
Okay.
know what to call this.
Ta-da! Okay. Hey, that's not too bad.
Yours is not too bad too.
You did pretty good there. I think.
I don't think so. What the hell is this? Is this a ghost?
Number 1, cut down on alcohol.
I agree.
I drank too much this year and last year, the year before. Save 60% of income.
Wow, how much will that be?
$30.
60% income.
Get 500k subscribers. Work out and shoot body pic. I'm gonna do it this year. Really, like for reals.
But the point of resolutions is that you never do it.
Yeah, a week later you forget.
Yeah.
Go to Europe.
Oh, you've never been to Europe?
I've never been to Europe ever
my
in
God.
my life. Last but not least, it's just what it is. It's something that I want to do.
Oh, I think I get it. I got it. I got it from the picture.
Oh, okay.
Marry someone?
No, find someone to marry.
Oh, your soulmate or something?
Yeah. I think I'm at the age now, you know? Like where I can marry, you know?
Yeah,
we have friends that got married.
Yeah. New Year's resolution. First, diet to 70 kilograms.
How heavy are you now?
80.
Okay. That's
kilos.
easy. That's easy.
That's not easy.
That's easy.
That is not easy.
Just don't eat.
$100,000 saving.
Gotta buy more Bitcoin. That's
I
your
think
only
it'll
hope.
be possible.
That's your only
It'll
hope.
be possible.
Okay.
Become a better son and grandson.
Aww.
Giving these kind of stuff.
Yeah, okay.
So that's gonna be a start. With this,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a better son. And then number 4, the reason I didn't comment to your resolution was because it's exactly the same. 500k subs.
Oh,
We got a common ground.
Wow, I didn't even see yours.
Yeah,
Wow.
500k subs. So we're aiming for the same thing. That's good.
That's good. Well, good luck to you.
Good luck to you.
In 2018, at least we have one common goal. That's good. And please help us reach 500k. And thank you to the friends at Hallyupedia for giving us these gifts. It's a monthly subscription service. You can go to their website anywhere in the world. They will deliver to you.
Wow.
And yeah, it's your
Antarctica
monthly. What?
Antarctica too.
I don't think anybody would want a Halyu collection in Antarctica, but maybe
Someone
if you
in
do.
an igloo.
Yeah, maybe.
Or
They don't
Sejong
have
base.
igloos in Antarctica.
Oh yeah, right. That's a
North Pole.
yeah.
If you want your micro Halyu collection, your little Korean fix, they provide you with these relevant items that are in theme for the month. And they also have the special collections like the line collection where they give you boxes of these niche themed collections. Yeah, so I think it's a pretty cool service. You know, if you're living outside of Korea, it's not easy to find Korean things that actually Korean people buy. But these things, they're things that Korean people actually use and buy. So I think it's a very cool idea, concept. So go check their website out and please wish us luck. Are you gonna take this? Let's do rock paper scissors.
I was taking it already.
No man. 가위바위보.